Manufacturers are challenged by many things. For starters, uh, they may understand what they think is their e-commerce channel, but they don't understand that multi-point, omni-channel, sales integration, digitally driven matrix I just talked about. So buyers and sellers intermix with a manufacturer online across many different venues. And a lot of manufacturing companies, big and small, are trying to figure out how that is because that's what the customers want. So they got the memo. I mean, and any manufacturer has got the same memo from their digital buyers an American manufacturer did. So it's all kind of universal. But where manufacturers as a group, and it's hard to generalize as a group, where they're struggling is trying to understand the channel integration as it applies to their customer base. All they know is their customer base is much more digitally native these days. They want much more tools, cross-channel interaction with these digital channels. Harder to do, easier said than done. The other question is, in online retail and business consumer e-commerce, retailers have been shipping to customers and consumers for 25 years, so they know what that is. They know about last mile logistics and on-time delivery and transparency into parcels that don't get picked up or go missing and all that type of thing because they've done this. That's their learning curve. Manufacturers are brand new to this. Manufacturers typically deal in big orders, and when you're shipping something off to a single company and it's only a few items and it's a high volume, low ticket item, that's a whole new set of last mile logistics, order management, order fulfillment that a traditional manufacturer is not used to. But on the end, but the thing is, that's changing because that's what the digital customers want.